This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Alright, we are back home, this time in the living room here. I don't think I can go in the car now. The kids here, it's Saturday, so there is no kindergarten. But the result, yeah, see here, the S6 e-tron did 0 to 100 in 4.15 seconds. The spec is 4.1. Could be because you have winter tires. You know, what I've seen in general is that German cars, when they are winter tires, they don't perform as good as summer tires. Simply because these cars are so heavy, 2.5 tons with me as a driver, of course. Yeah, around 80 kilograms, unfortunately. Before it was 75. You know, when I was a student, I only weighed 65 kilograms. No, 56 kilograms. When I was studying in Gjøvik, I still had the same height, 173 centimeters. Over the years, I must have gained some muscles or fat. Okay, anyway. Look at it. The smart #1 Brabus is even faster than the Audi. Huh? Man, the Chinese car. Seeker is Chinese. Polestar is Chinese. MG4 X-Power is Chinese. G6, what? G9. Wow. So I wouldn't say it's blistering fast. I mean, it's still Schnell compared to the S6 e-tron, but S6 e-tron is also a little bit heavier, and also it has Nokian R5 EV. They are even softer than the Continental Viking Contact 7. But yeah, at least it's roughly there, right? We just verify that we get the claimed acceleration time. But yeah, if you guys notice in the acceleration video initially, it seems like I wasn't in launch mode, and supposedly in launch mode you get around 30 horsepower extra, or 40, I don't remember. I think you're supposed to switch off traction control, and then you press the brake, and then throttle, and then release the brake. But normally I don't turn off traction control on public roads, so that's why. Okay, so maybe it could have been slightly faster. But when it comes to noise, you will see something interesting here. Wait, where is it again? There. So we have to categorize, we put it in the winter tire, because I split it. You see on top here we have the summer tires, and then we have winter tires here. So how did it do it? Well, when we look at this 80 kilometers per hour, it was really quiet compared to, for example, the fat e-tron here. But then in the 100 kilometers per hour test, it went up, and then it went significantly more up versus the 80, you know, in the 120 test. So the average became like this. And I believe that in the low speed test here, the 80 test, you didn't have that humming, but the humming came roughly here-ish. What is that humming sound? I noticed it already in the in the Q6 e-tron, and it seems like the S6 or A6 also has that problem. So it's some kind of resonance that starts occurring at certain speeds based on some frequencies. So yeah, also some people are concerned about this. They also notice it on their own S6 or Q6 or A6. I believe there's something to do with the wheel bearings and the axle, or something there that maybe could be fixed if you have different rims or different tires. And also it tends to occur on some rough asphalt, but not on smooth asphalt. So yeah, rim tire combo, and also by maybe experimenting with some spacer, those plastic spacers in the connection, you know, in the hub versus the rim, that could also improve things or solve it. Other than that, I don't really know what else to do. But when I tried the fat e-tron that my friend had last year, it didn't have that humming sound. It was dead quiet. So this seems to be a Q6 A6 problem, and I haven't heard this in other German cars. So, but anyway, overall, what should I say about the A6 or the S6? It's fast, yeah, but it's also expensive. It seems like you pay for the extra speed, but also you get other things, right? Maybe nicer calipers and stuff like that. But maybe speed is not what you care about if you buy a family car like that. I don't know. But anyway, I think I'm done now, so that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.